We are a major drug manufacturing company in Kaliningrad. Production of drugs is a branch of pharmaceutical business, associated with technological processing of medicinal and chemical raw materials to produce finished dosage forms, tablets, capsules, ointments, suppositories, pills, briquettes, tinctures, decoctions, syrups, pellets, powders, drops and mixtures. Our company has been working in the drug manufacturing market for more than 10 years. We analyze new technologies and techniques in the field of pharmaceutics. I have been working at the company as a chief engineer for more than 7 years. I know all productions at the plant well. According to the forecast of pharmaceutical equipment market development in Russia, political and legal factors, economic factors and technological factors are the determining factors influencing the development of pharmaceutical equipment market. The pharmaceutical industry, in the conditions of Russia's accession to the WTO, must ensure the quality of products not only according to Russian standards, but also according to international and European requirements. To implement this parameter, it is necessary to provide the enterprise with modern equipment according to GMP standards. We plan to increase the production capacity of biopreparation in glass bottles. So, the first thing I did was to seek their advice in finding automatic equipment for washing and sterilization of bottles. I understood that the sphere of production of my colleagues is different from the sphere of our enterprise, but they could recommend me good producers of equipment whom I could turn to for help in choosing of a machine. My colleagues recommended 2 manufacturers in Germany. I found their details on the internet and sent them an email asking them to match my requirements. After 2 days, I received an answer from one company saying that they have a machine for washing and sterilization of vials with given technical parameters, but it is only suitable for plastic vials. Another company refused to work with us because they don't work with CIS countries. On the same advice of colleagues, I did not contact Chinese manufacturers directly. I started the search for a specialist on the internet. I chose 3 of the most presentable companies. As a criterion, I looked at the time the company has been on the equipment supply market, the company's website, the terms of delivery of the machine. I called to all these companies by phone in order to be sure of the manager's professionalism. The specialist from Samara told me to wait for 5 minutes, but didn't listen to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The male manager spoke to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about performance, material of the vials used. He chose automatic equipment for washing and sterilization of glass vials at the stage of consulting, and I was able to quickly coordinate with the plant's management. The machine was acceptable in terms of features and price. We concluded a contract for the supply of equipment within a week. The manager reported the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks in advance. The machine was delivered within the scheduled time. After installation and adjustment of equipment, we were able to assess its quality. The equipment is made of stainless steel. The working area of the machine was covered with plastic shields to prevent external influences on the washing process. Process control is automatic with the help of a display. The equipment consists of a metal trough for orientation of the vials, 2 rings with holes to hold the vials, a washing zone, where the vials are directly washed and sterilized. The pressure of water and rinsing air is monitored by manometers. We were satisfied with the automatic equipment for washing and sterilization of penicillin vials recommended and supplied by the manager of this company. I realized that I made the right choice of an expert to supply the equipment. Qualified advice is essential in choosing any purchase. The project is sure to be successful if that advice was received from a professional.